Yo, yo, yo. What up, YouTube Reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. Here's the second package that we're going to unbox. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Ooh, that kind of went down in there quick. Ooh, almost cut myself. And this part is like mad sharp. Let's just move this out the way. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go, right there. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Right here. Let's get that out. I don't think we're gonna need these anymore, but yeah. Come on. There we go. So we got the Galaxy Buds Live right here. Let's just tear it away real quick. This is what y'all wanna hear. Since we don't got plastic. Let's wait for that car to pass by. Here we go. And I hit the camera by accident. And these things are super small. Little jelly beans. Wow. So what do we get in the packaging? We get USB charging, which is USB Type-C. I got so many of these USB-C cords. We got the extra tips right there. So I don't need to use these right now. And I'm just going to throw it inside the box. And so leave that in there. Put this back inside there. Throw this back inside the box, which was the correct way. Okay. There we go. Galaxy Buds. Right there, boys. What do y'all think about it? Something y'all like? Let me know. Is this something you guys would like? Something y'all want to buy? Tell your boy in the description. We got to get a thumbnail. So we want to just put it like that. Boom. This is our thumbnail right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace, deuces one, and I'm out of here. Holla.